Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mega Man X4 on PC. First, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the game. You will need a compatible operating system and sufficient processing power, typically a processor from the early 2000s. Next, acquire a legitimate copy of the game, often available through digital storefronts or classic collections. Finally, prepare your system by updating graphics drivers for the best experience. Once you have the game, proceed with the installation process, typically guided by an on-screen wizard. After installation, launch the game and navigate to the options menu. Here, you can adjust display settings to match your monitor's native resolution, such as 1920 by 1080 pixels. Crucially, configure your preferred control scheme, whether using a keyboard or a dedicated game controller. To enhance your experience, consider exploring community-made patches that often improve compatibility with modern operating systems. Many players find a dedicated game controller, like one with 16 buttons, offers a more authentic and comfortable playing experience than a keyboard. Additionally, fine-tune the in-game graphics and sound settings to achieve your desired level of visual fidelity and audio immersion. If you encounter issues, first check for common compatibility problems often associated with older PC games. Ensure your system meets or exceeds the recommended specifications, which might include at least 4 GB of RAM. If the game runs slowly, try lowering graphical settings. For persistent or unique problems, online forums and community wikis are excellent resources for finding specific solutions and troubleshooting tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.